Have you ever needed just 2 or 3 pages from a PDF, but ended up having to send the entire file because you couldn't remove the rest? Extra pages, unnecessary notes, or outdated content all tag along, and the person receiving it gets confused about what they're actually supposed to look at. It's frustrating, right? Well, today, we're going to fix exactly that problem. I'll show you how to instantly remove unwanted pages from any PDF and turn it into a clean, professional file. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the tool. Head over to the VelaPDF website and click on the Remove Pages option. That's all it takes to get started. Step 2. Upload your PDF. Drag and drop your file, or select it manually. Give it a moment to load once it's uploaded. Step 3. Select the pages. Once the file loads, you'll see a preview of every page. Simply click on the pages you don't need, extra notes, outdated content, or blank pages, and mark them for deletion. It's as easy as looking through and selecting. Step 4. Remove the pages. Once you've marked everything you want to remove, click Delete Selected Pages. The tool processes it instantly, and those pages are gone within seconds. Step 5. Preview the result. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to preview the result. Check that the pages you wanted removed are actually gone, and make sure the rest of your content is intact. This quick verification step helps avoid any mistakes in your final file. Use cases. Now let's talk about who benefits from this the most. Students can easily strip out extra notes or unnecessary pages before submitting an assignment. Office professionals can clean up reports before sending them to a client or team, keeping only what's relevant. Freelancers can customize PDFs for each client, sending only the pages that actually matter to them. Businesses can remove confidential or sensitive pages quickly and securely before sharing documents externally. And teachers can trim down study material, keeping only the essential content that students actually need. No matter what field you're in, this tool adapts to exactly what you need to share.
Benefits. Let's go over why this tool genuinely makes life easier. First, removing pages takes just a few seconds. It's incredibly quick. Second, you don't need to download any editing software at all. Third, it works completely online, so you can use it anytime, from anywhere. Fourth, the output always looks clean and professional, perfect for sharing with clients, teachers, or colleagues. And finally, file handling is fully secure, so your data privacy is always taken care of. Put all of that together, and you've got a tool that saves time while giving you complete control over your document. Now, let's look at the transformation. Here's the original PDF, the full file packed with extra and unnecessary pages. And here's the cleaned up version, containing only the pages you actually need, neat and organized. The difference is clear, isn't it? What started as a long, messy file becomes a precise, professional document in just a few clicks. So if you've ever needed to trim down a PDF and remove pages you don't want, try VelaPDF right now. Visit the website, upload your PDF, remove the unwanted pages, and download it instantly. If this tutorial helped you out, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which PDF tool you'd like to see covered next. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.